Discover the Google Sheets Manager, your intelligent dashboard for simplified data management. Turn your Google Sheets into true interactive databases with our intuitive, powerful, and secure web application. Designed for teams, managers, this all-in-one solution allows you to visualize, modify, analyze, and share your data like never before. Why choose the Google Sheets Manager? Simple as a sheet, powerful as a CRM. Forget complex formulas and manual manipulation. Our tool adds a professional interface layer to your Google Sheets without changing your workflow. Key features: multi-mode visualization, display your data your way. Table mode, classic and efficient. Card mode, ideal for mobile or detailed data. Instant search, find information with one click. User and role management, control access precisely. Admin, modify everything. Manage users. Editor, edit data. Viewer, read-only access. Perfect for collaborative teams. Real-time statistics and analysis, make informed decisions thanks to dynamic column charts. Automatic visualizations, bars, curves, effortless trend tracking. Modification history logs. Stay transparent and auditable. Complete tracking of modifications. Filters by date and action type. Daily and per-sheet activity graphs. Invoices. CSV log export, ideal for monthly reports or backups. Automatic invoice generation. Create professional invoices in seconds. Select a row, gives PDF generated instantly. Clean, clear, and customizable format. Dark mode and ergonomic interface. Work comfortably, day or night. Toggle between light and dark themes. Modern, responsive, and accessible design. Security and persistence. Log in via Google Auth. Secure. Automatic backup of the last used sheet. Session management and easy reset. Perfect for internal teams, HR, logistics, sales project, or inventory tracking client, or order management schools or associations. Small businesses and startups looking for a lightweight but powerful solution. Technologies used Google Apps, Script, Backend, HTML5, Keys, CS3, JS, Frontend Chart, .js, Charts, Sheets, and JSPDF exports. 100% compatible with Google Workspace. Taking action is simple. Copy the ID of your Google Sheet. Log in to the application. Select your sheet. And there you go. Your data is finally under control. Transform your Google Sheet into a professional, collaborative, and intelligent tool. The Google Sheets Manager is simplicity at the service of efficiency. Try it today. Your team will thank you.